order dated 22/07/2025 is hereby deleted, and in its place, the year 2016 be is here 24th. Yes, 24th.
My lord, in item 1, my lord, I appear on behalf of the respondent number 3 to 7 and 10, my lord.
As a matter of fact,
Yes, my lord.
one typographical mistake cropped up. Which
Yes,
was
my lord. I had eventually I had also read the order. From there, it could be ascertained that there is a typographical error also.
Instead of 2019, it will be 2016.
Yes, my lord.
So I passed an order to that, and I made a necessary correction in the order sheet also. Yes, call the next matter.
Since today the resolution has been taken, I cannot invite your lordships to.
What resolution has been taken?
By the Bar Association not to pass any adverse order in the absence of both sides. If the both sides are present, no problem. Demise of Mr. Bhaskar Chairman.
No, that I know, but what type of resolution? It has
That
not
is-
been circulated.
Only that if the both sides are not present,
But that circulation endorsement is not
that
passed, right?
that we are hard in the announcement that if the both sides are not present, then no adverse order should be.
This is
Oh.
resolution. Oh, resolution. ठीक है? That is the
If will you please permit to see?
Yes, definitely, brother. Request made by the. क्या छो? ये अच्छा ऑनलाइन আছে ঠিক আছে.
Not to pass any order
My lord.
in absence of any of the parties of the day.
My lord. Oh, in my case, my Mr. Dinda is appearing on online. His junior is before your lordship.
Yeah, Lordship, I'm appearing online, but my camera is not working for some reason. I hope your Lordship can see me.
No, you
Because my camera, yes. My camera has been blacked
visible,
out.
Mr. Tinda, but your
Yes.
audio is clear. Please give me a second, sir. Give me a second.
Pursuant to lordship
Sir,
direction.
give me a second. Yes, Mr. Dhar.
My respectful submission, contempt still continues because the lordship's direction was to give the benefits of the notification. That notification, pursuant to lordship direction, the contempt petition, they have submitted calculation up to December 2024. Then even thereafter, they have went back to their own calculations, and they have been not giving the benefits of that notification. Even when I have the receipts of the salary which they are being paid, that is in contrary to the your lordship's direction.
What is the একটু তাহলে তো অর্ডারটা দেখতে হবে
My lord,
এই
and
একটু দিন আমায় অর্ডারটা দিন
they have that in the,
সিপেন এর পিটিশনটা
that in the meantime, that I must point out that yesterday we noticed, although copy not served, they have filed one appeal against the main order.
Your Lordship, this is absolutely wrong. Notice not served. No, they have refused service. They have refused
Absolutely wrong,
service.
sir.
I have been told
Yes,
Shobit Master
fault
refused
over
service.
my
I have proved this on
if that be
affidavit.
this Mr. Dinda, if that be this position, that will be
Your
taken care
Lordship,
of
this
by the
submission,
honorable
no, 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 no.
I
Your
must
Lordship, this
point out
submission
that
cannot be
we have
cannot be
prepared an
made by the
appeal.
bar. And Your Lordship, the matter was taken up by the Honorable Division Bench yesterday. Due since it was not served upon the parties, the Honorable Division Bench directed that let the matter appear next week. This is absolutely
this
wrong
is the-
submission.
this
Three
is the
three
petition that
appeals
they
are
have filed an
pending.
appeal against
Three
the
appeals
original
are
order.
pending. One
against-
from Your Lordship's order at 16 July, from the contempt order, one from the review order of 2nd July, and one from the original order of the writ petition, 8 February. Three appeals have been filed. Three appeals appeared. Yes, two appeals appeared in the Honorable Division Bench. In Honorable Division Bench, since the parties, it did not reach the parties, and since in my affidavit of service, it was clearly stated that on Monday, Shobit Noster refused to accept service on the specific ground that since the matter has been disposed of and it's an appeal, the client might not keep him on appeal. So he refused service, and then I had to serve to the client through post. It did not reach the client, and so Your Honorable Division Bench was please let the matter appear on next Monday as and when permits.
very good.
May I submit?
Please wait, Mr.
May I
Dinda.
submit? That they may file thousands of appeals. I don't mind that. Unless there is an order of stay, your lordship's contempt jurisdiction still continues. And my respect submits the conduct of the contempt alleged contemptor for the last 1.5 years, Lord, is absolutely contumacious, since your lordship directed in the contempt petition and review petition to furnish a calculation and secure the sum. That was secured up to December 2024.
And that has been disbursed to your client.
Disbursed to me, to my client. No dispute about that. Now they are to comply the order, your lordship's order, even for the current salary and the rest period. But they have not complied with that. They have paying the salary in terms of the earlier the notification or like that. 5,000, 6,000, 9,000. But as per 2019's notification, when even in the calculation, they have given the benefit of 2024 notification, but that is also discontinued. So the contempt continues. Still now, they have not.
I understand. Then what do you want, Mr.
Sir,
Dawes?
my subject kindly issue the rule. Why I say your lordship knows that I have the authorities of the.
Your Lordship, without giving me a chance to file affidavit.
Mr. Dinda, I will hear you. I will hear you. This is the difficulty in virtual mode. I cannot see you. Wait for some time. I have not passed any order.
My lord, kindly your
So
lordship
your prayer for today is that for issue the rule.
issue the rule because of the.
I understand your condition. The remaining part of it has not been complied with.
Not complied with. Even they have not using the abuse of process of law, protracted litigation.
I understand. I
which is
understand.
absolutely abuse of
Mr.
process
Dinda,
of-
what have you got to say?
Your Lordship, I have a simple prayer today. Absolutely correct. I have not got a stay. My learned friend can argue on that point, and I don't have an answer to that. But I have a very simple point, Your Lordship. They have filed a contempt petition. I should get a chance to file an affidavit before issuance of rule. Let me file an affidavit to show my bona fide, to show my conduct, whether at all my conduct is that bad that a rule should be issued. This is
Yeah,
all I am
take-
saying.
Now, Mr. Dinda, allow me to pass order. Pursuant to the order dated 16/7/2025 as passed by this court, the instant contempt application, learned Registrar General of this High Court has submitted a report dated 22/7/2025, enclosing another report dated 21/7/2025 as submitted by the section officer, wherefrom it reveals that such and son was paid to এত, such and son paid to এত, such and son এত, এইভাবে হবে না। তাহলে একটা কাজ করো, following payments have been made to the writ petition. এই বক্সটা টুকে দেবে। Stop that. At this juncture, Mr. Dhar, learned advocate appearing on behalf of the writ petitioners, submits before this court that as on this day, the alleged contemners have not fully complied with the order, judgment and order
8th February,
dated 18th February.
8th February. That the original order,
Original writ petition.
8th February 2024.
I'm to see the order. That as had been annexed at 8th February 2024, as passed by this court in WPA 11914 of 2021. It is further submitted by Mr. Dhar that
Paragraph 24.
that I'm seeing. Sir. It is further submitted by Mr. Dhar that even in the last month, the benefit as directed to be given by this court was not disbursed in favor of the writ petitioners. Stop. It is just submitted by Mr. Dhar is a fit case for issuing rule of contempt against the alleged contemners. Stop para. Per contra, Mr. Tinda, learned advocate appearing on behalf of the writ petitioners. No, alleged contemners, submits before this court that an opportunity may be given to the alleged contemners for submission of the affidavit. Stop. It is further submitted by Mr. Tinda that challenging the judgment and order dated 8/2/2024 as passed in WPA 11914 of 2021, comma, the এই রিভিউ পিটিশনটা কোথায় পাবো? এখানে পাবো অর্ডারগুলো? কল্যাণ বাবু, রিভিউ পিটিশনের অর্ডারটা কোথায় পাবো? রিভিউ পিটিশনের জাজমেন্টের টেক্সট এখানে আছে না অন্য জায়গায় আছে?
Paper book is also there.
রিভিউটা কি নামিয়ে দিয়েছেন ডিপার্টমেন্টে চলে গেছে?
Paper book it is also there. এই paper book দর্শককে বার করে দিন, page 171. 171. Order dated Major 18th February 2025.
18th February.
Yes, madam.
Review
2020.
petition was disposed of.
No, this review, this is interim order.
No. I
Final
want
order,
to
final order.
review final order.
Final order. I have this soft copy.
Your Lordship, 2nd July 2025.
The judgment and order dated 2nd July 2025 as passed in RVW 8 of 2025, Mr. Tinda,
Yes, certainly.
as well as against the order
8th February.
dated, as well as against the order dated, Mr. Tinda, you have challenged the order dated 16/7 also.
Yes, Your Lordship, 16/7 also.
Challenging the order dated 16/7/2025 as passed in CPAN 1192 of 2024. 3 separate appeals have been filed. No,
Yes, Your Lordship, 3 separate appeals.
3 separate appeals have been filed, and stop. It is further submitted by Mr. Dinda that it is expected that in the next week all the 3 appeals will be taken up.
Your Lordship, it was listed yesterday. Orders were passed yesterday.
All the 3 appeals.
2 appeals, Your Lordship, from the contempt and from the original writ. Your Lordship, orders were passed that
it is further submitted by Mr. Dinda that out of 3 appeals, 2 appeals have already been listed before the Honorable Division Bench, and orders have been passed by the Honorable by the Honorable Court. And there is every possibility that the 3rd appeal will be listed in the next week before the Division Bench. So Mr. Dinda does press for an accommodation. Stop para. After careful consideration of the entire materials as placed before this court is inclined to allow the prayer for accommodation as prayed for on behalf of the alleged contemners. Stop para. Let the matter be listed under the same heading on আজকে হচ্ছে আমাদের 24 জুলাই না গো on August 27, 2025.
Well, prior to that, not any
stop.
prior to
I shall be in Jalpai.
Much,
There is a difficulty
Much.
on my part. On the adjourned day, the alleged contemners are directed to file affidavit showing compliance of the judgment and order of this court dated
8 February 2024.
8 February is the final order.
My main order, original writ petitions order.
Dated eto as passed in WPA 11914 of 2021. 8 February 2024.
Yes,
24.
24.
20, yes, your lordship.
1.5 years at first almost.
So, I was under impression it is 8 February 2025.
No.
No, no,
Mr. Dana, Mr. Dinda, have you heard my order?
yes, your lordship. I'm so grateful for the indulgence of your lordship. There was some fault in my video.
Yes, that is the reason I cannot understand.
Your lordship, I don't make such prayers, but I was in a bit of difficulty today. I'm so grateful to your lordship.
One request prayer. That will not affect my understanding client. But one check was issued in favor of the petition number petition number 4, which is a lady, but who was using her name, using her own surname before the marriage. Now, after that writ petition, she has also changed her bank account, incorporating her husband's title. That's why the check was returned by the bank. But I'm just praying, if your lordship kindly allow me to amend the name of the petition number 4, so that the check can be returned to the ledger section and they can issue the check. Otherwise, but I cannot encash that check. Just subsequent events. I have submitted all the documents before the
So
department.
I have not mentioned it on the earlier
I
occasion.
could not know, but subsequently she changed her bank account and other things, Aadhaar card and PAN card.
What is her name?
Samapti Maiti. It should be Samapti Maiti Kudia. I have also affirmed an affidavit to that effect.
I have the
original affidavit also.
Your clients must be vigilant to that effect.
She's
Acha, before parting with liberties given to the learned advocate on record, to correct the surname, correct the present surname of the writ petition number 4, in view of the fact that after her marriage, the said writ petition number 4, Srimati Samapti Maiti, she has adopted Quilla or she is reading
Maiti Kudia.
কি লিখলাম is at present writing her surname as
Samapti Maiti Kudia.
writing her name as surname বলো না as সমাপ্তি মাইতি কইলা হলো তো in view of such department is directed to forward a copy of this order to the office of the learned Registrar General High Court at Calcutta, so that the check as has been issued in the name of Samapti Maiti be rectified
My lord.
with the name Samapti Maiti Koila. Let another copy of this order. একটু লাইনটা কি পড়লাম বলো তো? Learned Registrar General is hereby requested to act accordingly. Stop para. SEO is directed to send down the file to the department at once.
I'm deeply organized.
You know,
But yesterday I found
Huh?
a judgment. The matter is over. But yesterday I found a judgment that until content is disposed of, even appeal is not maintained against that order in content. So long as the content is
you take that point in the division.
If your lordship also take, I'll take subsequent.
কি হয়েছে কি বলছেন?
Yes, madam.
এইগুলো আজকেই সই করিয়ে নেবে জানো তো, আর্জেন্ট আছে।
Item 3, we beg to away for the petition. It's a contempt application. It was taken up by your lordship on 3rd of July. Mr. Dijodas Chakraborty appeared for the Kolkata Corporation for the alleged contemners. When he took service of that, and today, I do not know, going to resolution
Oh,
of,
he has received the copy of the
Yes,
contempt
yes.
application.
they are supposed to, my lord, complete the demolition proceeding by end of April 2025.
But there is a resolution.
I
not
know that. Just
Then
let
not
it
today
retain
only.
his position. When tomorrow it might be
Oh,
taken.
please. Tomorrow I take up the adjourned motion matter, na? Now contempt গুলো নিই আমরা।
Contempt to Friday.
Contempt গুলো দিয়ে দিন তো।
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of the respondent number 2. My lord, yesterday, my lord, I am little bit handicapped because the act is not with me.
But your
The
other
bus
side
is
is not
not-
present.
My lord,
Monday.
not
Yes.
Monday, my lord, Tuesday. Monday, I am not out of station.
Answer. On behalf of the non-appeal.
Junior Lord has placed the matter, Lord, and they have filed the report.
Give me a second, sir.
Malik. I'll just give the background. দাদা আরএনসি বলছি আরএনসি নেয়নি তোমরা বলছো তোমরা দাও
Yes, sir.
Lord, your lordship, so far factual aspect is concerned, Lord, I am admittedly from the report, if your lordship would kindly see, Lord, they admits that I am the owner of the land, that they admits that I am in possession of the land. They also admit that there was no
Sir,
so there was an
first
acquisition.
place your case. Thereafter, I will go to the report.
My,
What is your prayer? I do not know.
my prayer is, Lord, I am a owner of a particular land. Now, Lord, I was in possession. Still, I'm in possession. The moment, Lord, I go to raise any construction, the regulated marketing committee comes and says
Oh,
that, Lord, that matter, Lord, comes and says that you go and take permission from the district magistrate. Since the property has been acquired and we are the occupant of the property. Now, Lord, we went to the office of the district magistrate. The district magistrate office says, no, there is nothing. Short of that, you go and resolve the dispute with the RMC. It's a boundary dispute and all.
your
Now, I had
property,
to-
your property is the property as mentioned in paragraph number 3, sir.
But yes, 612, 613, and 626.
613, 614,
And
and
620.
620-26.
So, my lord,
You are the owner of the 47 decimal.
yes.
What difficulty you are facing?
The difficulty is not a lordship would kind. Difficulty is not the moment I go to the office of the to raise any construction, anything. The RMC comes and said this is their property. The lordship would kindly take, Lord, the last 3 lines of the report
Last 3 lines of the
filed by the district magistrate.
page number, sir.
Internal page 2 of the report filed by the state yesterday. On proper scrutiny, the document attached such and such It reveals that the land acquisition was to be made in favor of requiring body but was not completed. Currently, the land is lying fallow and is mutated in the name of the petitioner who continues to enjoy possession.
Hmm.
The undersigned, being the chairman, RMC Murshidabad, has referred the matter to the West Bengal State Agri Marketing Board, which is the apex body, if there is any intent to acquire the land or the necessity.
No,
So,
whether according to them, the acquisition process has been done. Acquisition.
no, that is the reason why I have brought your notification was there. Your lordship, your lordship would kindly take Lord Annexure B in the report.
Notification.
It has not been completed, Lord. They have said
Annexure B,
Annexure B.
page number, sir.
Lord, they have not paginated it.
Lord, Annexure B, just
Immediately after
Yes.
the notification.
Colored Xerox.
Pilot. Now your lordship would kindly take Lord bottom left. Lord, may I just read it for your lordship, Lord? That's the certificate, Lord. Lord, possession taken and simultaneously delivered to the representative of the RB on demarcation on 28/3/2003. Total area measuring more or less 7.9 acres out of 9.49 acres, except plot number 601, 603, 605, 60613, which is mine, 614, which is mine, and 626, of which area is 1.5 acres. So my property pertaining
No,
to my
possession taken and simultaneously delivered. So it is
Except-
still in a possession.
my lord, yes.
They have admitted.
No, Lord, they have taken part 7.94 acres, but rest, Lord, they have not taken.
No, sir. So far as except plot numbers, which include 613, 614, and 626.
I fall in that category.
So they have admitted that you are still in possession.
Obliged, Lord. Even there in the report, they have also said.
Then what is your grievance?
My grievance, Lord, your lordship, I am not in a position to enjoy the property because they say that there is an acquisition process in 2002. So you are debarred from taking any steps. They say that I am in possession. They have not taken
No,
everything.
in their report, have they indicated that though possession is with you, still with you?
Yes.
Listen to my question. Have they indicated that though the possession of the land was still with you, but acquisition process has been completed?
No. They have said that they will say, they have sent it, Lord, referred the matter to the West Bengal State Agri Marketing.
Very good. Have they stated that in respect of these 3 plot of land, acquisition or requisition process have ever been started?
They have said so.
What they have stated?
They have said, Lord, your lordship would kindly take, Lord, the page number 2, column number 1.
Yes.
3. That the award was prepared as per record share of the acquired plot as per LR record. The date of acquisition is 27/2/2002 and awarded in the name of such and such in plot number 613, 626 and Prabhat Kumar Das, 5 others in plot
No,
number.
award preceded by any acquisition and process. What is the acquisition process? Have they disclosed?
No. That is the reason that I had to file a
No, award presupposes a
acquisition.
completion of an acquisition process and determination of compensation.
Obliged.
Have they stated in their report that what is the nature of acquisition?
No, Lord, in respect of my land, your lordship has seen.
There is nothing.
That's-
Very good. Yes, sir.
Lord, if your
Let them
lordship,
release it, Lord. That's the only, Lord, prayer.
It is still in your possession.
yes,
They must not commit any. They must be prohibited from dealing with that property.
Obliged.
That is your prayer.
Lord, if your lordship kindly takes, Lord, page 1 of my report, Lord,
Yes.
in the sheet, in the middle table, your lordship would find bottom, Lord, in the table,
Huh.
Lord, plots number 613, 614, 626. All of, Lord, the subject lands are, Lord, the writ petitioner, Lord, they have purchased it in the year 1995.
Huh.
Lord, out of, Lord, the area acquired in acre, Lord, 613 0.06, 614 0.35, 626 0.06. Total mirror 0.47 area acquired. 0.47 acre area was acquired, Milord.
Acquired under which provision of law?
And Milord, then that has been in the Gazette, your Lordship kindly see in the Calcutta Gazette, section 4 of the Estate Acquisition Act.
Act 1 of 1894.
Your Lordship, Milord.
Yes.
So what is the declaration under section 6?
The
Lord,
land schedule.
according to the state report, they have never acquired. That's what
You
they
are appearing on behalf of?
it is the RMC.
Market capital.
So
Then why are you obstructing them?
I am not obstructed. We are not even in possession, my lord. What they want is before in the my lord, before in the garb of this division, they want to create a my lord boundary wall which is enclosing my land. There are these are lands of my lord RMC acquired land is adjacent to these plots. So what they are trying to
So
do is,
you have no interest.
my lord, as of today, my lord, if the government decide to acquire and give it to us, that would be a
That is
different
a
thing.
different thing. As
That
of-
has, as on today, my lord, state says, my lord, that
no,
he has not
what is
acquired.
their prayer?
My lord, prayer is to, my lord, release.
Prayers, Lord.
We are not even holding, my lord.
The Lordship would kindly take, Lord.
And my lord, the
20.
petitioner before he will not.
Cancel the order of declaration not required. Return the land not required. You are agreeing that you are returned. You are not in possession.
No, Lord,
I have made this
but
clear.
at the moment that, Lord, before the writ petition was, Lord, hard, we are called on
Take down.
and
Milord, kindly
But
take
so far-
Milord
so far
internal
what
page
is-
2. Internal page 2. Milord, just bottom, Milord, possession of the heading, Milord, possession of the acquired land. Has your Lordship got it? Internal page 2 of my report.
Bushel.
The possession of 155 acre land of plot number such and such, measuring such and such acre respective were never taken over, and the petitioner was always in possession of the land. On proper scrutiny of the document attached to the acquisition case, it reveals that the land acquisition was to be made in favor of the, it was to be made in favor of the requiring body. Currently, the land is lying fallow and is mutated in the name of the petitioner who continues to enjoy possession. The undersigned being the chairman RMC Murshidabad, that is the district magistrate, refer the matter to the agricultural board, which is the apex body, if there is an intent to acquire the land or the necessity. So, Lord, kindly gives us some time so that we can get the matter sorted from the Milord Agri Marketing Board.
What time, sir?
Lord,
Start initiated acquisition proceeding under Act 213. No issue. Yes, sir. Take down.
I am for the writ petition.
State is present.
I am for
For the state. As the only state respondent. May I briefly indicate what the
Sir, for whom you are appearing?
I am, my lord, my junior.
Oh, I see.
may I briefly indicate the case, my lord? I
Give
am
me a second. Give me a second. Yes, sir.
my lord, I am in possession of a portion of a land in the government premises. I was given a short. I was in
You are in possession of a
government land pursuant to lease granted by the government in 2011.
yes.
Prior to that, I am enjoying the property for the last 50 years approximately. My lord, previously I was paying rent to the Kolkata Port Trust. Thereafter, there was a dispute with the Kolkata Port Trust and the government. The Kolkata Port Trust could not show that they were the lessee in respect of that property, that they have obtained lease from the government. Thereafter, government in 2011 has granted me short-term lease for the period of 3 years. I had always made a prayer in respect of that property where we are in possession to grant us
Lease was granted in favor of you in which year?
2011.
2011.
Yes. Prior to that, I was in possession pursuant to the Kolkata Port Trust. I was paying an amount of lease, sub-lease amount.
Prior to execution of the lease deed, you were in possession of the self-same property.
Yes.
Under whom?
It was initially first I started as a possession under the Kolkata Port Trust
As a tenant.
as a tenant. Kolkata Port Trust as a sub-lessee, my lord. A sub-lessee. Sub-lessee, because what the chain of title put forward to me at that point of time was State of West Bengal has granted a lease to Kolkata Port Trust. Kolkata Port Trust instead has granted a lease, sublease to me, my lord. Thereafter,
So you are possessing the sub-lessee.
Sublessee from 81 till 2011.
1981
81
to
till 2011.
from 1981 to 2011, in respect of the suit property, you were possessing the land as a sub-lessee, and your immediate lessor was the Port Trust.
Port Trust.
Then what
My
happened?
lord, I just stand corrected. It was from 1967, not 81. 1967.
1967 to 2011.
2011.
Very good. Then
Thereafter, what happened was there was a dispute with the State of West Bengal and the Kolkata Port Trust.
very good.
We wanted, since the State of West Bengal was the principal lessor, we wanted a lease to be issued in our favor.
Has that been executed?
Well, let me just come to that.
I'm
I'll
sorry.
come to that.
I'm sorry.
What has happened at that particular point of time, the Kolkata Port Trust, the Shama Prasad Port Trust, my lord, was asked to produce relevant document in respect of the lease that on which they were claiming to be a lessor under the government of West Bengal. My lord, Kolkata Port Trust could not produce any document in 2000, sometime between 2008 to 2011. They could not produce any document. In 2011, the government of West Bengal has granted me a short-term lease for 3 years.
2011. 3 years lease.
Yes. I was always
3 years lease in favor of the petitioner.
Petitioners.
So you become a direct tenant under the
I
government.
become a direct tenant under the government of West
Very
Bengal.
good. Then what happened?
Thereafter, my lord,
11, 12, 13, 14.
yes, my lord. Even during 11 to 14, I was always persisting with the government to issue a long-term lease. Since I was I was in possession of that property from 1967.
So what happened after 3 years?
Nothing
Completion.
has been happened, my lord.
But you remain in
I
possession.
remain in possession.
Very good. Then what
My
happened?
lord, I want them to issue a long-term lease in my favor. My lord, I have written at least, my lord, at least 11 letters. Lord,
Very good. Have they initiated any proceeding against you? You are paying rent.
I'm paying. They're not accepting rent at the moment.
Then what are you doing?
My lord, I am ready and willing to pay rent, whatever the amount they demarcate.
So what is your prayer now?
My lord,
For
prayer is
consideration of representation.
my representation.
May I show you the representation?
My lord, kindly come to page 91. This is the last representation which indicates, my lord, 11 other
Page
representations.
1991.
91. And in page 92, I have indicated all the letters that I have written. I am not,
Page 91 is the notice
it's a letter issued by the advocate
calling for long-term lease.
and rehabilitation of the land and structure.
How many writ petitioners are there?
One. My lord, item serial number 4 in that letter is a writ petitioner in this proceedings.
Ashwini Das.
Ashwini Das
Ashwini Das is the writ petitioner here.
is a writ petitioner.
Then what is the prayer in that there?
My lord, may I just indicate?
Numerous representation for
My lord, kindly come
accommodation
to
for
page 94,
providing
the last paragraph.
lease deed. Give me for accommodation, providing long-term lease and rehabilitation of the airport.
May I just indicate one more fact?
Yes, sir.
Yes. My lord, initially I have filed a writ petition. My lord, the order is at page 90.
Incomplete letter, sir.
My lord, there, my lord, lordship in page 94. My lord, 93 has wrongly been the page number. The track report has.
Oh, yes, yes. Your lawyer has become an authority. Hence, you are directed to take initiative to providing long-term lease. Your advocate is either an authority or become a court.
I'll not go by
This is
that.
a
That's the
legal
reason
notice, man,
but that's
sir.
the reason I did not place the
Huh?
paragraph. That's the only reason I did not place the paragraph.
Lawyer can direct.
It can be a request. It has to be a request
Very good, sir.
or a submission or a prayer.
So your prayer is for consideration of your long-term lease.
I don't have an object in that. But your lordship will see paragraph 26, 27 and 20.
Well, I was pointing out that only, but my writ petition was dismissed for default, does not act as a res judicata. That order also I have annexed. It was filed in the wrong determination.
অন্যভাবে
Then, sir, section 11 will come.
My lord, dismissed for default, not on merits.
So you restore it.
My lord, that doesn't.
My
I can
lord, that
show.
is
My lord, if your
paragraph
lordship wants,
26, 27 and
if your
28.
lordship wants, I can show authorities
How-
for that.
How they
Well, a
stated
dismiss
this.
for default is not on merits and it does not operate as a res judicata. A res judicata will operate when it is decided on an issue.
What is page number?
26, 27, 14. 14 and 15.
Page 14 and 15 is indicating paragraph 26, 27 and
26,
28.
27.
No, that I've seen. What is the order?
Well, the order is
Last
at page
page.
95, 97.
Last page, my 97.
I have not suppressed any fact and my lord,
No. I am not going on. একবারও বলেছি suppress.
and it doesn't operate as a res judicata. This is dismissed for default. My learned friend will not.
ভাই আমি কোনোদিন ইয়েতে করি না কনসিডারে আপত্তি করি না কিন্তু কি
Very good. Take down.
ইয়েস ম্যাম
Uh,
May I just indicate one more thing? Would it be your lordship pleasure to add one more line that I'll be entitled to use all additional documents that is required, my lord, in the hearing given below, hearing to be given?
একটা লাইন লিখে দেবেন।
My lord, in item number 7 and 8, Vimananda is appearing. He is suffering from mumps, my lord. I am paying for 2 week attendance.
Naturally. An infectious disease. আচ্ছা লিখুন as per request made on behalf of under the same heading. Same order. Who's for the state?
Mr. Oyan Banerjee.
They're
My
not
lord,
today.
my lord, July 9, your lordship was pleased to direct him to.
They're not today. There is a resolution on your part.
It will remain as usual tomorrow.
Obvious.
Item number 10, Your Lordship. I'm praying for a short Passover, Your Lordship, because the leading counsel is in his.
Passover.
Yes, Your Lordship. If it pleases Your Lordship, could it be
Who is Indian?
Amit Ranjan Pote? Amit Ranjan Pote,
Mr. Amit Ranjan.
advocate.
Passover. Up to 12 o'clock.
After 12 o'clock.
Could it be kept at 2 p.m., Your Lordship, kindly?
No.
They're not today.
Makes it Monday, Your Lordship. Then.
Not today.
Makes it Monday, Your Lordship.
Not today, only Monday.
It will be automatically on Monday. It may be come on tomorrow also. After adjourned motion is over.
Grateful.
Not today.
Even I appear for the petitioner, my lord.
And
Mr.
the-
Soumitra Bandyopadhyay appearing for the
for the
state, my lord.
state, he is not present.
Final matter fixed on 5th, my lord. Can it be taken on 5th, my lord? 5th August.
5th of August.
Yes, my lord. One matter fixed.
Under which heading? Give the number.
District.
এই যদি দেখো না ওই যে নাম্বারটা কল্যাণ বাবু
That
নাম্বারটা
has already been fixed, my lord, on 5th. That matter, my lord.
সরি
The numberটা দিয়ে দেবা সুদেব মাঝি।
other matter is directed to be fixed on 5th
Yes.
under which heading?
Motion,
motion.
fixed motion।
Listed
Fixed motion or listed motion?
Listed motion. Vasudev Maji.
এটা কিসে আছে? লিস্টেড না ফিক্সড?
আচ্ছা, Vasudev Maji. নম্বরটা আমাকে
ওই শোনো যে নম্বরটা গুলো দেবে সেটা যদি ফিক্স মোশনে থাকে ফিক্স মোশনে
আর
লিস্ট মোশনে থাকে লিস্ট মোশনে।
নাম্বারটা দিয়ে রেখে দিই। এটা ফিফথ অগস্ট মার্ক করে রাখুন, ওটা দিল।
appear for the private respondent.
Not today.
For the petitioner, your lordship. আসেনি তো, NH 34 নেই তো।
State.
I am for the state, my lord.
You ready?
NH
Any other respondent is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Not today then.
NH নেই কালকে।
হ্যাঁ? না ম্যাডাম রায় ছাড়া আরো দু একজন অ্যাপিয়ার
না
করে।
না আরেকটা আছে, এটা ম্যাডাম।
Apart from MS, Madam Monica Roy, there are other people who appear.
I'm for petition. Mr. Oyan Banerjee is on the other side.
Not today.
Yes.
My lord, praying for a short Passover as the council is coming.
Who's for the state? Passover up to 12 o'clock then.
My lord, he's just coming.
Very good.
Somunath Rai. Somunath Rai. Somunath Rai.
Very good. I'm giving it Passover.
My lord, the brief is not with me. He's just coming.
Sorry?
My lord, the brief is not with me.
I'm waiting. I'm keeping it Passover. You want Passover? No. You take your seat. 15th Passover হলো বোধন মন্ডল
Yes, my lord.
not today.
Lordship, in item number 17, my lord. In item number 17, Lordship.
State is not. State
My
is
lord.
not.
My lord, am I audible?
You are absolutely audible. The state is not present, sir.
Lordship.
Not today.
Lordship.
ঠিক আছে যা আছে সবগুলোই তো দেখে নিন রাখুন
In this matter,
Bondobadhyay is for this state.
I will not do it. Let it be fixed on. Let the appear on the fixed motion on Monday. There is some urgency.
My diary is completely congested. Very good. Call the
Number 20.
Next. Go on, Colin.
My lord, I beg to appear on behalf of the petitioner, my lord.
21 to
21 to 25, my lordship.
all not today. 26.
Much grateful.
26. 27. Number 28.
Not today.
29. 30. 31. 32. 33. 34.
Madam, what is your senior? Oh,
I'm extremely sorry,
no, it's all right.
I was in court number 20.
No, it's all right.
Now I'm easy.
বোধন মন্ডল
Now I'm easy. I'm coming to 26. It takes some time.
You are still young, sir.
My Lord, we ordered the last order. Lord, the dispute is between the brothers. Brothers are
Let the file be.
One thing, Lord, Mr. Ghosh is appearing on behalf of the private respondent.
Oh, private respondent is there?
Yes. It's between the brothers, my lord.
No, then it is not today.
But I'm extremely sorry.
No, why you are so?
Accommodation, but I came
Sir,
running.
don't fold your hand before me, sir. Fold your hand before the Almighty. Who am I to accept your?
He is a good friend of mine, and he says that sometimes I oppose you very violently.
But don't think the court is your foe.
Much obliged, Lord, sir. Chalo, chala, coffee.
তাহলে হিয়ারিং ম্যাটার গুলো রাখতে থাকুন রাখতে তো হবে লেট মি কল স্যার
42. 43. 44. 45. 46. 47. 48. 59. 50. Number 51. 72, 3. Yes, ma'am. Very good. Very good. Person also practice in the Supreme Court. Now, 10 years practice. How old was he?
My lord, item number 53. I pray for not to do.
Yes, yes.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 61, 62, 63,
63.
Not today.
64, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94,
is the monthly list. If your lordship will one day in a week, my lord, take monthly list. After this month, we will take the monthly list, my lord. Then otherwise, my lord, monthly list, your lordship said. No, my lord. Never in this month or previous month, you will never. When your lordship has a call for the monthly list, on that time, my lord, nobody is there. সে তো কিছু নিচ্ছে আফটার if monthly your lordship will take one day monthly list, my lord, then my lord only monthly list will be disposed of. Other monthly list there is no indication of taking monthly list. Only for that is one. Your lordship will consider after return from the your lordship every day your lordship take the hearing matter. You may not want to disturb that. Only one day, my lord, your lordship can take. Yeah, Yes, my lord. And my lord, your lordship specifically stated that no upgradation is there. When no mentioning of upgradation. No, your lordship doing that, but there is a specific.